Defining your regional settings. Create a smarter business environment with Shortcuts Live by configuring the regional settings to suit the region where your business is situated. In this lesson, you'll learn how to modify the regional settings specific to your business's location. From General Settings, select Regional Settings. Edit the labels to suit the region where you carry out your business. Short tax is the abbreviated version of the tax, like GST, VAT, or tax. Long tax is the name of the tax typed in full, for example, goods and services tax. Alternative labels for state could be province or county. A postcode may be called a zip code in your region. A suburb could be a town or shire. Also select whether your currency is rounded and how. Click Done to save. In this lesson, you've learned how to modify the regional settings specific to your business's location.